Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It's Ron again from Happiness.com, and today we're doing another quick unboxing of something I saw in Shopee, which might or might not be usable for everyone. It's a portable sewing machine, a small one. It's the HYGGE 2-speed mini electric sewing machine. I got it for 289 pesos only. And as you can see, right there. Okay, so that's the price, and we're now gonna open it. Okay, it's supposed to be two speed, and there's a point that you can plug it in, or I think you can use batteries or something. So we're gonna see. As you can see, it says there sewing machine with 2-speed control. Okay, sews all sorts of fabric, compact yet power pack, 2-speed, double stitch, and there's a free gratis. I don't know what is supposed to be. That's meaning free gift. So I guess there's a foot pedal and those whatever those stuff you call it. I don't know how to sew. I'm gonna give this as a gift to my mom. Okay. So that's it. We're gonna open it up now and to see exactly if it works. The one that they sent is color purple. There are all these round thingamabobs which has threads inside. There are a couple pins or something like that. We'll bring it out, all of it out later. Okay. And that's the only thing inside the box. Under it is a manual. On the side, tucked in is the power, and I guess this is the foot pedal. See? Okay. We'll remove this. Remove that. Okay. It's taped. So we'll try not to destroy it because I'm giving it to my mom. Okay. As you can see in the bottom, there seems to be a battery compartment, right? Okay. This one seems to be a battery. Okay. So it seems that it can also work with 4 AA batteries. Okay. We don't have AA batteries right now. Well, we don't have 4. Okay. There's a button here. I guess this is the low and the high settings. Power button here. It's not gonna turn on, of course, because there's no power. I don't know what this is. Okay, this one moves it up and down. There's supposed to be, I guess, a light here. Okay, there's another switch here and things like that. Okay, so we're gonna plug it in and see how it works. Okay. First, we're gonna plug it in. I don't know. Let me see. Okay, there's 2 here in the bottom. One is for the power, it's clearly marked, and one is for the foot pedal. So we're gonna plug it in. Okay. We're also gonna plug in the foot pedal. Okay. As you can see, that's the problem. The wire for the foot pedal is only about a meter or so. So it's just enough to get it to the floor. Okay, I'm just stepping on the foot pedal. So as you can see, it started moving. Okay, I have no idea how to sew. Ow. So it works. Okay. There's a thread spool in the bottom and one here, so I'm gonna try to put it back. And the cloth is folded 2 times. See? So it works. Okay. So wait. Let's do it again. Okay. So we'll put it back here on the top. Till it a little bit. Wait, let me stop. Okay, so it's there, as you can see. So it works. Let's see what's this. And there seems to be a light here, so if you press that small thing there, there's a light, okay? So you can see better what you're doing, okay? So okay, we'll try to make it faster. That's the low, and I guess the other one's high, so it was in high, that's low, and then we're gonna put it on high. Okay, so it looks like it's gonna work. I have no idea about the other stuff here. We'll let you know once we're able to actually do a sample test on how to sew something. I'll probably need to find something in the house that we can sew. Probably one of the kids' pants that got torn. So thanks guys, that's a quick unboxing for this 2-speed mini sewing machine. You can buy it on Shopee. I'll post the link later and then let you guys know. Thanks guys, bye.